Hello. Sam here. Lucky House Cantonese private kitchen. So this is a lazy 4 p.m. Sunday afternoon already. So we want to do some snack. So this is Mila. Then we are going to do a simple Lampung Sumatra snack with tapioca, sugar, salt, and this is palm sugar. So what we do, she will have to grate the tapioca first. After that, we will season it lah. After that, then fry into like a tidbit like that. Okay, that's great. Okay, please. Your show today, Mila. Mila will demonstrate this grating.
Okay.
And then my baby will watch.
Parut ya, sir?
Parut. So we grated already lah, the tapioca here. So now this white sugar lah. White sugar I put 3 lah. A bit of salt. So not a bit of complexity to the taste. And then this is palm sugar. Palm sugar we also grate a bit.
Now I mix.
So Mila has already mixed it, but everything we do by how? Agak-agak only right? So how we know whether this is good or no good? So we should make a sample test a simple one sample first, then we try. Then we see, can or not. If not sweet enough, then we add a bit of sugar, or you can add a bit of this palm sugar. Then if too sweet, then how? I still have 2 more tapioca then I grate some more tapioca, go inside and then mix again. Then okay already right? So we go and test. Smaller. Sample small. Now we try our first sample. I make a small one first. Okay. Perfectly round like the. Fry. You do one and not I do. You don't need flour because this one very asli one, or just simplest as you can be. First sample ready, then we try first. Hot. Wait little bit but hot can. You no need flour, it will all stick together like that. Actually can. Nice taste. The sugar with a bit of salt. Wow, makes it good. You try. This one your recipe, not my recipe. Not I say one, you say.
Nice.
Nice
Lemon try.
Okay. I think put a bit more palm sugar even better.
And my boss put the brown sugar and mix it. Mix together. Ready?
Bikin habis. Okay. Our wok small lah. So one time only 3. So if you have a big flat pan then you can do more lah. Oh. But fry lah, very fast one. Fresh Sunday afternoon snack. So good, right? So you fry until both sides a bit brownish, more or less cooked already. So all these very natural things. Oh. So now we are going to try the Sumatra Lampung-style tapioca cake. So please,
I try.
you try. And then my baby here. Yeah. So we added some more the what? Brown sugar just now.
Delicious.
Delicious. Wow. What? Am I? Hot.
Hot.
Hot. Good. Now very nice. Just now a tad salty, but now with the additional palm sugar, wow, it's really nice. Fantastic lah. So easy, right? You just take some tapioca, you grate it, with white sugar, a bit of salt, and then if you have palm sugar, you put palm sugar lah. If you don't have palm sugar, then forget it. Just use ordinary sugar. That's okay already. Or any other palm sugar, brown sugar also can. Oh. So it is such a nice, easy snack. I think we finished within 15 minutes already. So if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to Lucky House Cantonese
Lucky
Private
House.
Kitchen. This is Mila. This is Sam. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.